Welcome back to Top 5 Tray. Today we're reviewing the Logitech G305 Lightspeed, a wireless gaming mouse known for its excellent battery life, reliable hero sensor, and simple design. Though it's budget friendly, how well does it hold up in 2025? Let's dive in. Reminder, all the gear featured in this video is linked in the description. Scroll down if you want to check it out. The G305 has a compact ambidextrous shape designed for right side thumb buttons, weighing around 99 grams, 3.5 ounces, including the AA battery. It fits small to medium hands, especially in claw or fingertip grip style. No RGB lighting, just a matte black finish with subtle green accents. Powered by Logitech's Hero 12K sensor, it offers up to 12,000 DPI with tracking speeds over 400 IPS and 40G acceleration. In tests like AimLab, it scored over 80,000, well above average for budget mice. Tracking is precise and responsive, even in intense gaming. Connection is handled via Logitech's Lightspeed wireless, ultra-low latency that feels like wired performance. Battery life is rated at 250 hours, high performance mode at 1000 Hz, or up to 9 months in endurance mode, 125 Hz. That's a full month of gaming per AA battery at high settings and nearly a year in office use with low polling rate. Just swap in a rechargeable AA and you're rolling. No need to charge the mouse itself. It has 6 buttons, left, right, scroll click, 2 side clicks, and a DPI switch. Buttons feel crisp thanks to Omron switches rated for about 10 million clicks. Via Logitech G Hub, you can remap buttons, adjust DPI steps, and save one onboard profile, even without software installed. Battery life and reliability. Many users report lasting 3 months per AA at high polling rates, or nearly a year in office mode. In rare cases, battery life lasted years uninterrupted. Longevity and repairability. The left-click switches can develop double-click issues after 1 to 2 years. Some users have had multiple replacements via Logitech warranty, but that's typical for budget-tier mice. Others have reportedly owned and used the same unit for over 5 years with no issues. Comfort and ergonomics. Good fit for small to medium hands, especially for claw grip. The shape is reliable, though some say it feels a little bottom heavy due to the AA battery. Pros: Hero sensor is accurate and responsive, rivaling wired mice at this tier. Excellent wireless latency with Lightspeed, 1 millisecond polling. AA battery system gives long life. Swapping is simple and fast. Lightweight and ambidextrous shape fits many grip styles. Simple software and one onboard profile. No clutter required. Cons: no rechargeable battery, so you must carry spare AAs. Newer units reportedly less reliable than older ones. Double click and scroll issues common under warranty period. Only 6 buttons, no tilt wheel or extra features. Not ideal for large hands. Some find the grip too compact or flat. Final verdict: the Logitech G305 Lightspeed remains one of the best budget wireless gaming mice of 2025. It delivers excellent tracking, top-tier battery life, and reliable wireless performance, all for around $30 to $40. If you're a casual or competitive gamer on a budget and can deal with AA batteries, it's a standout value. Just keep an eye on long-term durability. Many users eventually face switch issues around the 1 to 2 year mark, but Logitech's warranty process is usually smooth. If you want something lighter or long-term warranty-proof, alternatives like the Logitech G Pro X Superlight 2, Mako's G3, or others might suit better.